Hello everyone. I've had a few requests for a couple more meditations that you can do either when you're waking up or going to sleep or throughout the day. So this is just going to be one of those generic meditations for you that's going to allow you to let your heart rate come down. It's going to allow you to find a place where your mind is quiet, it's in the right place. Maybe this is one of those meditations where you just need to be focused. So we're going to work through doing those different things together, and feel free to, pause at any part of this meditation that you feel is really speaking to you, so that way you can give yourself the opportunity to be quiet. So you can either find a comfortable seat. That might be on your yoga mat, it might be seated in the middle of your bed, it might be on top of a block, it might be laying down with your knees bent and your feet planted. Only thing I recommend is don't extend your legs all the way out and lay down like you're going to go to sleep, because that will simulate the concept of sleep and rest versus meditation sometimes. So again, lay on your back, bend your knees, plant your feet, or join me right here in seated. I want you to go ahead and shut your eyes for me. And if you have trouble closing your eyes, and I just want you to tuck your chin and maybe you stare down or maybe you stare out with a soft gaze so that your eyes aren't fully closed, but they're not fully open. Notice as you start to move into this place, if immediately your body wants to resist the stillness and the breath and the quiet, or if your body is moving towards craving this concept of stillness, being quiet, and moving into meditation. I want your meditation day to be free, so you can allow thoughts to enter, and then you can allow them to exit. You can choose a form of meditation where it's more of a repetitive thought that runs through the head if you wish. Maybe you allow yourselves to focus on just breathing. So that's where we can just focus on the inhale and on the exhale. As these things occur, I want you to notice your posture, your seat, and your breath. I want you to become aware of your tailbone rooting down into the earth, whether you're seated or on your back, so that you evenly feel both sides and allow yourself to move towards the breath. You can rest your hands in your lap, next to you, on your knees, on your stomach, up or down, whatever kind of energy you're craving. And I want you to inhale for 3, 2, hold it at the top, and then match your exhale for 3, 2, all the way out. I'll count you. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. This time I want you to inhale for 3, 2, 1. You're going to tuck your chin down, hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your chin up, exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a normal inhale. Take a normal exhale. And we'll go back to that long count. Inhale this time, 4, 3, 2. Hold your breath, tuck your chin, 5, 4, 3, 2. Lift your chin, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Normal breath in and normal breath out. One more long count. Inhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Tuck the chin down. That's going to lock the breath for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Lift the chin. Slowly release the breath for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Normal breath in and normal breath out. So now that you've started the pranayama of yoga, I want you to work through either normal breaths in and out, maybe that short inhale matches exhale, 3 count, or the long count, where you extend it by 1 each time you choose to inhale, hold the breath, and you choose to exhale. If you prefer to not use any of those methods and use a different one, just where you're thinking about your breath in and out, move there. And then while that happens, I'll just kind of talk you through allowing your body to feel ready, to feel alive, and to feel well. So sitting up tall, focusing on your own breath, maybe moving your hands in the different placement if it's more comfortable. And then finding an opportunity here to really process either moving into your evening or moving into the rest of your day, depending on when you're working with this meditation. Find the opportunity here as you breathe to name a couple things that you're grateful for in your life that allow you to do what you're doing every day, or that push you to do things where you know you can be better. Use those concepts to move towards love. So not only are you grateful for those few items, but allow yourself to notice who loves you and what you love in your life, and giving thought towards those few items that maybe you don't tend to remember each day. And then after your gratitude, your love, you move into success. So the things in your life that you can name that you've done well, and then those things that you want to keep doing well. But each time your thoughts move through these things, remember, just inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Feel your breath rise and fall. And maybe you move back to your gratitudes, maybe back to your loves, or maybe back to your successes. Focus on inhaling slowly. Maybe you focus on exhaling equal, longer, or holding the breath at the top. I want you to take 5 more rounds of breath on your own. So you can have the mouth open if you want a bigger exhale, or close your lips, so just the inhale moves through the nose. Four more. Three more breaths. Two more breaths. And then one more breath. Wherever you are, let your hands either rest together on your stomach, together at your heart, or together somewhere in your body so that you feel your palms pressing, touching, or laying on your chest. Blink your eyes open, and if you're on your back, stare up at the sky. If you're seated, look down. And just come back into this quiet place that you allowed yourself to move into. Depending on what time of day it is, allowing yourself to feel that quiet. Good. Slowly moving back and allowing yourselves to be quiet, feel successful, remember you're loved and what you're grateful for. Thank you guys for this meditation. If you have any questions, please comment below.